Hello folks, this is Steve A.B.4L. Nothing in this episode is a promotion nor is a recommendation. Look straight ahead at the building. Now look here. Can you see up? You see the big, you got this here, they've been staging this stuff gradually. There's nobody behind me. They've been staging this stuff gradually. And the reason why they got the thing with the big arm is to look straight ahead. Now 2 months ago they did a lot of interior refurbishment. And now they're doing something to the front, and it looks like they're they may be putting something up on the roof in addition to, and hiding it with a heightened facade, and the food line outline is there, and you can see they put up and here comes the fire truck, probably for a break. You know the way it is with the fire trucks, if they have to go to the store or go to lunch or something like that, they have to take the fire truck with them, because if they get an emergency call, they can't go back to the fire station to answer it. They got to jump in the truck and go. So I'm giving you a chance to look at the refurbishment here. I didn't know they were doing this. Everybody's perking up. And yeah, there it is, Food Lion, and that lion emblem is from a European company that bought up Food Lion, which originated in Salisbury, North Carolina. It's a major food market chain in North Carolina. Yeah, Salisbury, North Carolina was the original home, and might very well be the U.S. corporate offices still, for what I know. Can you see it? I'm just circling to show you. Yeah. Now, when they were refurbishing the inside, they also had stuff parked out here. Okay, now I have to find a parking space. Okay. All right. I'm just nosy. Oh, here's the fire engine. I think they're going to eat. Steve AB4L. Just being nosy, as usual. Saying see you at 73. Good luck. I gotta back up slowly. Hope nobody runs into me. Please don't anybody run into me. Gotta back up slowly. Well, I got more news. I thought they were just refurbishing the outside. This is a major do-over. They now have a primitive first pass of a self-checkout. They took out a whole bunch of cooler cabinets and they ripped up the floor, but they put a little cubicle of self-checkouts, and I like it because the display shows the item in large print. You can actually read it. The ding that it's actually scanned needs to be a little bit louder, but I think it's going to be okay. So, I'm not promoting anything. Nothing. It's a big renovation step, and I'll tell you what it means. It means that this Food Lion is successful. They're investing in it. And I noticed that some of those cooler cases, they're not freezers, they're cooler cases, things that just need to be kept about 40 degrees. There was a sign on the side of them saying, send them to Julian Road. So they definitely are moving those things out. They're not shifting them to another part of the store. And there is a major renovation outside and inside underway in this Food Lion branch. Steve AB4L, just being nosy, saying see you at 73.